Today we will guide you how to use Google Voice Control Water Timer. First, download and open the Tuya app, click the plus button in the upper right corner, or Add Device button, then select the Socket, Wi-Fi button to add a socket hub. Enter the correct Wi-Fi password. If your Wi-Fi is 5 GHz, please set it to be 2.4 GHz. Plug in the socket, long press the button until the light blinks quickly, follow the instructions and click Next to searching. If the light blinks slowly and enter the AP mode, you can also follow the instructions to pair, or continue to long press until the flash. The irrigation hub is connected. Select the irrigation hub and click Manage Added Devices to go to add more devices. Find and click on the Water Valve Controller button to proceed to the next step. Water timer installed battery, while long press the button of the two-way valve for 5 seconds until the flash into the distribution mode. Or long press the left button for 5 seconds until the flash into the distribution mode. Follow the guide and click the button to enter the device search. The device is successfully connected. Return to the home page, and you will see all connected devices. Open the Google Home app. Select Works with Google under the Settings page. Search for the Tuya app and click on Agree and Link to link it. The device is successfully connected. You can choose the device's home and location one by one. To facilitate voice control, you can change the name to the one you want. Now let's get the device working with Google Home. Hey Google, open the left water timer.
Okay.
Hey Google, open the right water timer.
Okay.